Hey, what's up guys? I've been trading for past 15 years, so I recently wanted to see what kind of Forex trading strategies have been used on YouTube or shown on YouTube. Let's see, Forex trading strategies, simple Forex trading strategy, how to catch 100 pips a day. Ooh, sounds good. Simple Forex day trading strategy, secrets to big profits. Oh yeah, you can get big profits with that. I totally like this one. Simple and profitable Forex scalping strategy. What else we have? Let me see how I'm gonna get rich. Ooh, 95% winning Forex trading formula. Sounds good. Yeah, so I've been watching some of these videos and I'll tell you, basically it's more or less the same stuff. I think what we're going for is buy low and sell high. So we buy on the bottom, we sell on the top, and the profits here I'll probably suggest maybe 1 to 12, 1 to 13, I don't know. Yeah, I totally like this. 3-step to profitable trades. I think I'm gonna go with this one. We got the rules of the game. Let's trade. We want higher lows, we want higher highs, we buy. We want lower lows, lower highs, we sell. And then we make profit, 1 to 10 and so on. But I'm not gonna be that greedy. So I got my chart. Euro USD, everybody knows Euro USD. 4-hour chart, not bad. Got my higher lows, my higher highs, and I'm hoping this will be a higher low so that we can continue on with this trend. And yeah, we're only gonna try to go for 1 to 1. So I put 10 bucks for the trade and I'll make 10 bucks if that works out. Yeah, we confirmed that. This is a high low. We got in the trade, that's good. It's going. It's going the wrong way. No. We got stopped out. Oh. It's okay. We know how to trade. There's a Bible. High highs, higher lows. This time we're gonna do it. Alright. High highs, high lows. I already mark up everything. We're gonna get in. Gonna go 1 to 2 this time. That's what they say. You risk 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. That's about that. Except for this guy. He knows where the top and the bottom is, so no worries there. But I'm not that greedy, obviously. So, Euro USD, 1-hour chart. I'm going risk to reward ratio 1 to 2. Let's see if I'm going to confirm this bottom here. Oops, we got filled. That's good. We're going. Oh, are we gonna get to take profit? No. How did that didn't work out? These are high lows. What are you doing? Euro USD this time 15 minutes. So I'm in a hurry to make money. I want a faster chart. Again, higher lows, high highs. I'm gonna enter on a breakout here. Everything legit. Let's see what happens. This time I'm gonna try to get 1 to 3 because it's a smaller time frame and because I lost money twice. So I'm already down 20 bucks. I want to get my 20 bucks. I'm also risking 10 bucks, for example. I want to get my 20 bucks and make 10 bucks. I want to be doing this for the brokerage. They're getting rich while we're not getting rich. So let's see what happens. Yep, we got filled. Oh, yep. Look at this one. This one is going to work out. Look at it going nicely. What is going on? Kind of losing power. Yep, it's going higher. That one is going higher. Oh yes, that one is gonna get me rich, or get me whatever, make me fortune. So I don't need to go to work. So I don't need to put up. Where are you going? Wrong way. No man, this is taking forever. Huh. Yeah, it's going up. Nah, this is just not working. We're not getting anywhere. Should I get stopped out now? Oh, see, that didn't work out. Alright guys, so let's see why this trade failed. So we had higher lows, higher highs, and then we had risk to reward roughly 1 to 1. and if we keep going, we got filled, and then we got stopped out, and that's it. So the issue here is, first of all, I only show you one piece of chart, which is just this one chunk here, which is just not enough for you to just go on and trade and get rich or whatever that you're trying. So there's a lot more to it, as you can see when we scroll out, that there's this resistance at this level here. So trading is not exact science, so it can be here, it can be there. But if we go to a higher time frame, like for example weekly, that I always like to take a look, we can see that this actually starts around these levels here. It used to be support, it got broken, became resistance around these levels, then it went down, market tried to go up, become resistance again, smash it down, and then it goes up, and then we got bounced again at these levels here. So if you saw the whole picture first before you got into the trade, go back down to say 4 hour, we would probably not want to take this trade at all to start with. Let's go to daily. Yeah, so you probably wouldn't want to take this trade at all. So let's take a look at the other trade that failed. Okay, so let's see what happened with the second trade and why did it fail. So we had high lows, higher lows, higher highs, and we had high low here, which is where we put our stop loss, risk to reward 1 to 2, and off we go. We are filled and we just fail. So again, this is 1 hour chart, and we just looking at the one piece of chart. It's just not enough information. If we go to daily, we can see straight away what went wrong. Okay, so we enter around this area, we got filled, and we bounced down. If you look at here, around these levels, there's a very strong resistance there, so you have to be expecting the market to bounce off of those levels. In very rare occasions, the market will just shoot through. So that's why most of the times we would just lose in this trade. If we go back to our time frame, yeah, we just poked through. There was a fake breakout, and then market went back down, and then off we go. We got stopped out. So by looking at the daily chart, you can see that we really do have, after this, we do have high. You may not call this high. This is just high, same level as this. And then we got high lows. So this is legit daily uptrend. So we just simply fail. Again, you can simply not trade out of just by looking one piece of chart and looking at one time frame. It's just not gonna happen for you at all. You need to have multiple time frames in sync. So the same thing here. So we wanted to get risk to reward 1 to 3, and then we got eventually stopped out. I don't want to run you through the whole process again. But then there's again the issue of the small piece of chart, not looking at the whole picture, just by looking at one time frame, 15 minutes in this case. We can pick any time frame and trade off. It doesn't work like that. Again, you need to have all the time frames in sync. And my biggest issue that I found is how this has been picked. Risk to reward ratio 1 to 3. You may argue, yeah, well, if risk to reward ratio was what, 1 to 2.5, you will make profits. This was supposed to be a good trade, yeah? So how should I pick 1 to 1? It's like rolling the dice and feeling how greedy I feel today. It's like I had previous losses the other day, so I'm just gonna go 1 to 3. Or I'm just gonna go, I have few good running trades, so I'm just gonna be less greedy. So I'm gonna go 1 to 1 or whatever, 1 to 2. And this time I will make profits, and therefore I'm a profitable trader. It's just not gonna happen like that. The market doesn't work like that. Okay, so I'll show you how I like to trade. Let's take a look at here. I like to trade on a daily chart, and I preferably love to trade double bottoms to buy or double tops to sell. So you may think like, oh, okay, let's sell here on this double top. Well, hang on a second. I keep saying, take a look at the bigger picture. All right, take a look at the bigger picture. So the trend is up. We got higher lows, lows, higher lows, and we have higher highs, right? So the trend is up. We always trade with the trend, never trade against the trend. That's stupid. So the only way to make sure, you may argue, say, okay, so this is the higher low. Well, it's not. You have to wait and see. I told you I always like to trade double bottoms or double tops. So let's set up my risk to reward ratio. So we're not going 1-to-1, 1-to-3, or whatever, 1-to-5 or whatever. So we want to enter around this area, which is a double bottom, and we want to exit here. I don't care where market is going to go from there. I don't care if the market is going to go up or down. It's going sideways at the moment. It can go anywhere. Who cares? So once you have your setup, second of all, the fear of missing out. Okay, so I'm not going to be executing my trades by looking at the market as it goes. I'm going to set up a pending order, which is to enter here, to go long, buy, and I put my stop loss here. Always put the stop loss slightly below the bottoms. How low? I cannot tell you that. It's about asking me who's gonna buy and who's gonna sell at that moment and how many lots. I cannot tell you that, because look, trading is a probability game. It's we don't know who's gonna sell how many thousands of lots or millions of. We don't know if some big fat banker is just gonna unload millions of lots or whoever. Anyway, we're going with the probability. We give it a little bit of extra room. If we go super tight like this, it may stop us out and continue on going the other way. So we don't want that. Give it a little bit of extra room. Let's take a look at the risk to reward. So I want to take my profits here, because if there's a pressure here at this level, you can see there's a pressure here. So that's why this high we didn't get the higher high here. So you cannot call it higher high yet. We got a higher high here, and we got a higher low here. We don't know, it may go down, make a new lower low. We don't know that, but we're just going with the probability. So there's going to be a lot of buying pressure at this level. We know that for sure. There's going to be a lot of selling pressure, so we don't want to take profits above this level. We're just going roughly around here. We're just entering roughly around here with the stop loss. Give it a little bit of extra room. With the risk to reward ratio, I don't care. At the moment is 1-to-7.3, which is great, because if your risk to reward ratio is 1-to-1, 1-to-2, or 1-to-3, you will have some losing trades, and you're pretty much going to be breaking even and making the broker rich, and you're just wasting your time, and your days go by and you're not getting anywhere. Eventually you will get anxious, and then you're going to start risking more, and then there's your bankruptcy around the corner. That's it. So by going 1-to-7, 1-to-8, we got plenty of room to make mistakes in the future. Not all the trades will fail. So alright, let's see what happened. So we got filled right there. That's good. On a daily chart, we can go say to 4-hour chart. If we go to 15 minutes, doesn't matter either way. We can watch from here what happens. So yeah, you see, so there's a lot of buying pressure at this level. There's a lot of selling pressure at this level. That's okay. All this stuff in between shouldn't worry you. Never ever exit the trade. You say, oh, I should have exited here. Look at it now. All my profits are gone. Never do that. Just stick to your trade. Never move the stop loss to break even. Listen, we have risk to reward ratio 1-to-7. If we move the stop loss to break even, comes back down here and then bounces back up, you're just again wasting your time. See? Almost got stopped out. So if we did move the stop loss here, we would get stopped out. See, it looks like really the sellers are in a big creating a big pressure. It's just really, when you look at it like this, if you're watching the trade and so on, trust me, better not to watch it, because you will be going through the emotional roller coaster here. It will be really struggling for you, and then it will affect your future thinking as well, and you will be really edgy and kind of just wanted to, you know, quickly get it. There's no trade that gonna go get in here and go straight up there, take the profits, because there's a lot of battle here between the sellers and the buyers. That's just how the market is. See, now we have our buyers back in again. There we go, almost. Did we get stopped out as take profit? Doesn't matter. Yeah, there it is. So if we didn't predefine take profit, we may not be taking these profits. Look at that. You always have to have your stop loss and you take profit set, and you just don't touch it. That's the trade, what trading is all about. People think, oh, I'm gonna manage my trade. There's nothing to manage. That's why many people fail. There's nothing to manage. Trading is not a full-time job. Trading is, you set it and you forget it. If you try to manage your trade, you're just gonna mess it up. And people think I need to be sitting there and watching the trade. There's nothing to watch. There's nothing to see. Look for another trade. If you want to do something, look for another trade. Look for another opportunity. There's a lot of different currency pairs that you can look through. Find another trade and just set up your pending order, and don't do nothing else about it. Set up your pending order, set up your stop loss, set up your take profit, and that's it. You don't touch it anymore. There's nothing to manage. In future videos, I will be showing you guys how to take different types of setups, and how to take more of these current setups, and what to be aware of. So if you like this video, please give it a like, comment, please subscribe. This is the first video that I'm doing. I'm going to be doing more videos in the future, so yeah, hope to see you soon.